Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to insulate copper pipes. This is a very useful way to stop sweating pipes. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a very simple copper pipe. Now, this copper pipe is not connected to anything. It's just a spare copper pipe that I had, and I wanted to use it for this video demonstration. In addition to the copper pipe, what I have here is some pipe insulation. Now, let me show you what it looks like. It is basically this foam circular piece, this foam cylindrical piece, and then it has these sticky pieces. Well, it has these plastic pieces that are protecting the sticky pieces, because when you remove the plastic pieces, it sticks together and stays in place. Now, I'll show you how to use it, and then I'll tell you why it's going to stop the sweating pipe situation that you might have. And it's just a good thing to use anyways, but it's great for stopping sweating pipes. Now make sure you get the right size. This over here is a certain size of pipe, and the insulation that I have over here, the little foam piece that I have, matches the size of the pipe, okay? What you want to do, take your insulation, your foam, open it up, wrap it around the pipe, okay? All the way. You want to go the entire length of the pipe, okay, just like this. And as you can see, it almost looks like it's like almost just completely taking over the pipe. So it's just, you're not seeing any amount of the pipe. It is completely wrapped around the pipe, okay? And luckily for me, this is actually enough for the entire length of pipe. Then what you're going to do is you're going to peel off these little plastic pieces on both sides, and you're going to use the adhesive to stick it together, okay? And it's going to stay in place, okay? Now, I'm not going to do that because this is just a video demonstration. I'm not going to insulate this random pipe that I have, but it's going to insulate the pipe. Now, the reason that your pipe is likely sweating. Now, first of all, if it looks like your pipe is sweating, make sure it's not a leak, because sometimes people think they have a sweating pipe and they think they have a sweating copper pipe and it ends up being a leak. So make sure it's not a leak, okay? When you know that the pipe is sweating, you'll realize that it's probably because of the temperature difference between the pipe and the air around you, plus the humidity in the room. So basically, the pipe is a certain temperature, the rest of the room is another temperature, and the humidity sticks to the pipe because of the material and the temperature difference. That causes the sweating pipe syndrome, which is basically when you have all that water, those water droplets built up along the pipe. But when you do this, you are actually insulating the pipe, which is acclimatizing it to the temperature of the rest of the room. You are preventing the pipe from sweating. It's literally that simple. That is how to insulate copper pipes and how to stop a sweating copper plumbing pipe. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.